Hello, I'm Storm Tracker 18 Weather Chief Meteorologist Matt Schaefer. We did actually get some snow today, although it's all gone now, including what fell yesterday. 7/10 of an inch additional today. Yeah, that's a little bit above average on the daily average. The daily average really doesn't mean much. We don't tend to get it like that. They take the monthly average and they divide it by the number of days in the month. So that's not how we typically get snow. But for the month of March, and once we get in the winter, these averages matter a little bit more. About 2 inches below average on the month. 3.3 of the 3.4 inches has fallen since Monday. So Monday evening into Tuesday morning, we had 2.6, another 7/10 of an inch today. That pushed our winter total above 30 inches, still about a foot below average. And we average about 5 inches more. 5.4, I believe, is the additional snowfall between St. Patrick's Day and the end of the snow season, which historically has happened as late as May 12th. That's our latest snow measurable in Eau Claire with 2 inches that fell, I think, back in the 1940s. But we're going to probably remain below average on winter unless we get a big April storm or second half of March. At least in the near term, I don't see that happening. We're clearing out slowly overnight tonight, and eventually we're going to get back to complete sunshine once again. Certainly looks like it'll happen by Thursday night into Friday, and that sun is going to last into the weekend. Perhaps not for the full weekend, though. Tonight, down to about 30 degrees, still above average, a little bit of a breeze that'll have some wind chill effect at times. Probably feeling like the low 30s, perhaps even upper 20s at the coldest point. But from that point, we warm all the way up into the low to mid 50s. Average high is 42, so we're looking at 10 degrees or so, maybe a little more above average. It does come with a breeze, 10 to 20 out of the northeast, so it might be a little bit of a chilly breeze, but we do have the sunshine, which does help out. The wind doesn't look quite as bad for Friday. High temperature 55, still sunny, but look at the difference in temps between the low and the high. You probably want the coats out in the morning for sure. By the afternoon, definitely looking closer to sweatshirt weather, depending on your preferences, t-shirt or a lighter coat. But by Saturday, we're heading up near 60. Still colder start, still about a 30-degree temperature change between the low and high of the day. And Saturday is the spring equinox, so we're getting to that 12 hours of daylight. In fact, we're technically past that now. The equinox doesn't actually mean 12 hours a day and 12 hours a night. It just means that the same latitude on the southern hemisphere has the same amount of daylight as we do on the northern hemisphere. For Sunday, back into the low 60s, but clouds fill back in. Rain chances return, especially late in the day. Better chances will be on and off Sunday night through at least the middle of next week.